use and win. Cry me, I use and win.
You see that girl when you're Marian Walters, come here, call you by your right name. And you see, let me tell you something. You need to come out and talk the real story. Marian don't know if it's he only buy field and more than one customer. I'm going to tell you what Tina Chin do. Tina Chin hear about the cake story. I'm a first Tina Chin and me of so. I'm a first carry the cake story on social media. Can I say it already? I'm going to say it again. A plenty customer, me, Janice and Marie Foster, aka Kingston 13. Make Miss Lotian, whether she name Altia Andrea, don't know, some Lotian. Make back the people them cake, Jamaican, Trinidadian, all over the world. When you take the people them money, make me tell you this now. You don't know who, and you can't sue Lady V because I'm a first carry it out here. She here. Lady V put up the post. She not take no post. Lady V no call her name, you know. Lady V never call her name. Lady V made a post. Lady V never call Rum Cake Club. Lady V never say Tina Chin. She never say Marian Walters nor nothing. Me I go tell you now where my people, cause you see me not play blood clot hypocrite. Me nah no brand. Tina Chin, big pussy Charmaine, what them call or Charnette, what them call Festive, what them call Festive. Let me tell you how Tory go once and for all. When she go over, she said go over Lady V, go say Lady V don't support Tina Chin. Lady V said to stinking old Festive said she support, and after all, customer reach out to her, cause customer reach out to a lot of blog about Tina Chin that giving them the cake, which is nothing blood clot stranger them thing you will make me get mad now. So we say she not them to get them cake. So Festive carry back go tell big pussy Tina Chin. Tina Chin sit down on it all along. We don't know if for Ioni, we don't know if for Kayoni, because I'm more than one receipt and people me having on my phone where Tina Chin take their money and not give them no cake. When Lorraine come out, Tina Chin can't play game for nobody out here so. When Lorraine come out and call her name, she say and say, because Lorraine, everybody did say I only buy feel or he only buy feel. Everybody knows that that's a popular name. Lorraine call the name. Tina Chin put nobody don't know who call blood clot Lady V. Like how you don't know who call blood clot me. So this big pussy dirty nasty delusional blood clot stagnant business stagnant old girl. When you go come talk about you go sue. Sue blood clot what? That you for blood clot talk. So when big pussy Festive come tell you say Lady V say she must tell you the story, and when you take your stinking mouth, you have to come out, no make me come out here no big pussy girl Tina, what the blood clot, what you do, who you run up in her? And what the blood clot, I wanna love run up on weak blood clot people, you cannot come run up in a blood clot me. I mean the first somebody come out by social media big and blood clot see what I make me float here and make back people keep. Pussy wall, you know blood clot run up in a me. Run up in a blood clot me and come tell me about lawsuit. Big old blood clot dirty girl, go suck your mama ya Tina. Sorry. Boy, you go sue. You know what I'm there. 1 minute. yourself in not know. Why make you not say you have a brand and you teach the people the money all the while you do it? This is no mistake. You don't want to blame yourself. All the while you take people money you call sale. Me have to make me float and to take shame out of your blood clot eye. Don't thinking old girl. Go sue your blood clot all the failure in front of immigration. A BVI island and that you for go sue, go suck your mama. With your bright blood clot self. You take the money and give the woman her cake. Nobody don't know which woman. Lady V put out a post, she never call your name. She never call your name. And big blood clot stinking pussy festive care about the blood clot news. Can't tell you. How you go come and go on? How you send festive and the blood clot thing where you get because I knew you send festive for? Can you send blood clot festive go ask about the outcomes? Lady V now promote your blood clot. The Lady V could have played no hypocrite. Come who did blood clot recommend nobody take a your thief? You need to come out big pussy teen and accept the fact. Where you worry about when Lady V say, and if Lady V give back woman money, the woman did want back her money. Yes. Some don't know how you come talk about it, you go sue and you can't go nowhere. On the two blood clot right everybody you look at Lady V you want come blood clot text said pan the media. Go text it for your whole failure. You two blood clot enough and bright and you want blood clot wrong and strong. You take the woman money. You take the woman money. The woman can't get her cake. One to Mama Floor England cake where you take. One to the woman in Florida. That one that was the wickedest one. The woman is not a Jamaican, the woman see you on internet. And y'all see the woman by your life. So come call out them people that don't want to come sue me. But why you sue me? And you see the woman by your life. The one you most of all was the wickedest one. Oh, the woman picked me for Crystal. And the woman I got to a divorce and the woman paid Tina in 200 and make you go find out who. 265 big pussy Tina me have the receipt. Film picnic 3-year-old son something when the woman I got to a divorce for the picnic christening. When the woman paid Tina film bake products them. The woman paid Tina how long days are come they now get. When the something that one day did part yes. Tina sit down and I cuss Dana and I tell the woman to she ship off the woman something them. Tina get the woman tracking number. The day before Miss Lothian have to make the woman something them with yes. The woman tell Tina say give the money to charity. I know. You know how much time the woman ask me, Missy Tina give out the money to charity. Big pussy Tina go look up at who and come sue me. Cause you thief. You come run up boy, you come call up. Don't call Lady V name now your thinking mouth. Cause nobody never tell you to take the woman money. Your blood clot and you don't have no shame. That's why you go put up coke in your big stinking rotten hole. And make it drop out and stink up the immigrant, stink up the people in the airport. You don't blame everybody you got prison. Walk and fuck for nothing. Walk and lick out batty wall for nothing. And when time you wrong, you want to be wrong and strong. The point is, if you did give the woman her cake, could the woman go tell Lady V, Lady P, Ashanti, legendary Speak Your Mind, Stacy, any other platform, could the lady reach there? No. No big pussy Tina, the lady could not reach there. And you have your brand. So what you want to say in your shop, customer, right? The people them cannot get them cake, right? You're not busy whether they want to go through, then go and go a Lady P, Lady V, anything. Them could have even want to go over blood clot, Instagram, to World Dog, Brita, anybody. Now you come out. The fact still remain. Did you give the woman her cake or when did the money refund? Because I couldn't 4 months you give that woman the money. Because me sure no say in a last month me get the screenshot with Eonia look about her money. So if I know Eonia you say Eonia you give back. There is more customer out there crying for them cake. Move your dirty stinking one be a blood clot and go away. Move and go away. You sit down, I'm telling you what this is, man. That girl Latina said, I tell you, I can't like it. You sit down, you know. You can't blood clot argue with Michelle Bradshaw and Lorraine. You can't argue with them. Because they say you sit down with them and plot and chat. You come out and say you chat down with them. And walk and chat and plot with them. So you look somebody because them a whop up your blood clot on the internet. And nobody not sorry for you. You know hear your big blood clot, big God friend say, oh, she make sure come out and say, she's a blood clot entertainer. She a no blogger. Nobody now defend you. Nobody now defend you. Nobody now stand up in your corner. So, oh, yeah, look, Lady V for text it. Pan you think you are dead before blood clot this and out here. Lower for blood clot, Lady V now. Your daughter put up a post on Instagram. Go look on it over there. Go over Instagram. Go look where your daughter, your sick daughter put up Tina. Go worry about that. Tina go take up your father today on Saturday. Go take up your father out of the arms house and drive him around, make him get fresh air. Move your stagnant, sicking looking dirty, one beard, nasty, dirty, all drugs, mule, dirty, blood clot and go away. I don't like people who love blood clot text it per week, friend. Cause you know so Lady V now go come out and come tear out her body wall and turn her head over you. Who no love blood clot text it per people too much for the media. What the blood clot you don't argue with Lorraine? Where you want to go straight to Antigua for? Go on a blood clot Beryl and go argue with Lorraine. Go play blood, them say I must say 4 hours for which we go drive blood clot, go play pull up a Lorraine yard and make you and have it out. Lady V not tell no blood clot like pay because she never ask nobody no question and people go in her phone and send her receipt. And if you fuck on her blood clot, that's what people do. And she come out and make a post. Nobody never blood clot tell you to put on your blood clot foot in the shoe. She put down her shoes. Oh, Chris never take up Lady V post. Oh, Dana never take it up. Not even blood clot Lorraine just start be. She did be a class here and she never take it up. Oh, Nanalyn, oh, nobody else never take up Lady V post but you. Cause you know say you are the blood clot thief and scammer out here. Move your nasty, ugly looking, sicking looking, dirty blood clot and go away. You want come, you think like how you drive your blood clot, picking them crazy like how CG have to tell you upon life. You think you come out, you come mad, nobody go suck out your mama and blood clot go away. And go beard your nasty, stinking, dirty blood clot, cokehead self. Go away! You want to come mix up the blood, come jump on the woman. Nobody did, Lady V call nobody for come with her back. Lady V call nobody. If you did give the woman in blood clot cake or refunding money, the woman couldn't reach over blood clot Lady V. And you don't know if it's blood clot he only by feel call Lady V never call nobody name. Because you see, you know, see, he only by feel at the last one you hear Lorraine call, he only by feel blood clot name. And you know, so when blood clot festive, the dep of the pussy clot food, cause me no care. Me no blood clot care. You know, say most like a Lorraine that day you listen and then come tell your blood clot back because you are festive friend. Now you did take up big stinking festive and go flip Miss Lottie and blood clot. You want me come out you can talk every bumbo clot thing on the internet now. You want more fire than it your blood clot dirty stinking Tina. Remember me not have no blood clot brand, you know, but me soon not go on and no fuckery out here, you know. You know why me come mash up the blood clot internet and sit down and watch you all on and you put no blood clot one another. More than on and you put no one another. Now bring it blood clot on. Sunday you come out here. Me not say nothing to your dirty blood clot. Come here watch you. Me I watch you. You think you got blood clot text it pan Lady V like you text it pan Dana deck before blood clot this and that. If you did give the woman her blood clot cake, the woman couldn't reach out to Lady V. Go suck your blood clot, mama, and go a big stinking dirty nasty lick out blood clot batty woman. Move your dirty blood clot and go. Who blood clot you? Every blood clot they come out about Valin. I grudge woman for your blood clot life. Go suck out your mama and go. Go take blood clot care your pussy clot daughter, your blood clot father. Go. Every blood clot time you're hungry and you find out your blood clot waste out your time and find out nothing and go and for you run blood clot take up your big stinking sodomite blood clot lick out batty Aphrodite twin pussy blood clot donut blood clot wrong side pussy your body wall eclipse in a bumbo clot one. You all dirty nasty stinking underprivileged drugs blood clot mule yo. Go suck out your mama and go. Every blood clot time when you sit down on about a blood clot Lady V man the prison you a Lady V prison you. Love the blood clot to man make you price up on the internet. Lady V have no money time. I don't like people take this at blood clot advantage of people. Where do you? Go suck out your blood clot mama and go suck out that pussy and drunk your blood clot but the whole thing and go suck your mama. And move your dirty underprivileged dollar down pit mouth blood clot. You walk on name blood clot pitney like how dog name puppy and lucky them blood clot tree unfortunate one the fear of yours them blood clot mother lucky. Move your name belly rotten or lick out blood clot but you will bumbo clot and go. Go suck your mama. Allow the blood clot woman alone. Lady V never trouble you. You go over for the woman platform, go trouble the woman. You come out and you say your pussy clot here, you never come out and come talk about a Lady V have sister and a finna. Oh, you know, blood clot, come out now. Come defend and say, boy, you lie me, they tell the blood clot, boy, you England, they tell me lie upon the woman. Boy, you about your want to go suck out your blood clot, mama. Go find your blood clot virginity in your body hole and carry it bumbo clot come. When you find your virginity in your body hole, then blood clot and carry it come. Lady V will show your bumbo clot receipt. Go suck your mama and you find your blood clot choke back. Go! You come and go like you want to run up in a blood clot Lady V every time. Go suck your mama and move on a dirty blood clot. Think you run up on the woman? You know blood clot take no said panara. Death before blood clot this and with me and you out here. You're bright. You don't love that blood clot disadvantage with people on the internet. Look where I go on now. Look pan blood clot here and Laurie Michelle Bradshaw come out here to the 8 days. Come rub step down off she take off her blood clot crown, step down off her throne and rub out your blood clot and you can't talk. You could have blood clot answer Michelle. You can't argue with you, you can't take blood clot said Paul Laurie, you know so Laurie said that thing. Why am I cannot argue with Michelle? Why am I cannot size up on blood clot and take on Michelle Bradshaw? You're too blood clot enough. I want to be wrong on blood clot and you're too thief. You thief the people the money and I want people. I saw blood clot what if the people them tell blood. I may first come out here with it to your teeth. I may first come out here with it to your blood clot teeth. So I call you the V jump on. How? Because you send big blood clot, pussy, handicap, slow blood clot, festive, go over there. We feel like she blood clot festive. Our festive carry the blood clot, and so what? So what? The big blood clot question is Marian blood clot Walter from Rum Cake Club. Because since you go sue, I want a lawsuit. Big pussy girl. Did Lady V tell blood clot festive a lie on you? Did blood clot Lady V tell festival lie or you can't just say Lady will come out with receipt? Me will do what me no want to do. Me will come out with blood clot voice note and receipt. I just say since your blood clot no fan bright, me tell you what me I go do. Me I go look up back for Michelle live. When Michelle Bradshaw do. At the better business something when Michelle cuss out your blood clot Saturday. Me I go dig it down when me come back. Remember me tell you. Cause me not hide and do nothing. Better Business Bureau, I think I saw a place name. Every blood clot body when me have, me I go tell them to report your blood clot. Me always make me floaty and build back then care for sure you drunk crow. Say I know everybody bad mind like you. Me always make me floaty and make back the people then cake. But me I tell you this. Me, I go tell the people them to report your blood clot at the Better Business Bureau. Watch me and you. Since you want blood clot something for do, me Janice I give you something for do. I don't like people take set pan people. I don't because you know Lady V now go come out here, come tell you go suck out your mama. I tell you for go all a decent fuck off. You take set pan the blood clot woman. You too blood clot wicked enough. Go right blood clot Michelle Bradshaw. Go suck your mama. You not take no set pan Lady V out here. Take before blood clot this Anna. You not take no set pan her out here. Go answer Michelle. Until your blood clot answer Michelle Bradshaw. Cause me know the blood clot cake story. Me know the story. Me know a Festive carry back and tell you. But because blood clot we never care. We never blood clot care. Cause anybody who no see the great trending drama, any blood clot, but you have Andre telling you that any blood clot body we me chat to pass social media. Half a bumbo clot strong. We not afraid of nothing. Go suck your mama. We not afraid for war. We not afraid for cuss. We not afraid for lick fish. And we not blood clot afraid of lawsuit. Go suck your mama, Tina blood clot. Lick up batty whole Tina go suck your mama. And all a decent fuck off and go. People my gone until further notice.